Welcome to the section on learning and unlearning. Unlearning also requires a skill and a desire. However, many people fail at this process because it requires discarding, removal. Some people say that it is possible to learn new things without completely discarding the long standing beliefs. Some people have this kind of opinions. This may be true for some other situations, but not for the process of learning and applying the concepts of law of attraction. There must be a conscious learning and a complete discarding of the old belief system. These two are must for law of attraction at least. When one learns about the law of attraction, it is as if a dark and a heavy fog has been lifted from the right in front of us. You will begin to see the beauty of the creation itself in its entirety. You will begin to see the importance of active creation in your own life. Creation is not limited to the larger world. It is present in your life, in everyone's lives. You create, you are the circumstances of your own life. No one else does it for you. If you think people are controlling your fate, everything about your life, you are sorely mistaken. One's life is one's sole responsibility. And what a beautiful responsibility it is. So you are the one responsible for your fate, nobody else. Every human being is born into this world, is given the ability to create with his own thoughts. Thoughts are inscribed into reality, and reality has no other choice but to comply. Regardless of how much you may be ignoring this truth, before the law of attraction works tirelessly to give you what you want, even if you are not conscious about the act of creation through thoughts. So, it is very, very important that you need to realize you have the ability to create with your own thoughts. That's all we have in this section. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.